Hi guys, the Exynos 2300 might still be on track to be released next year on the S23 series. So my previous video that said Samsung was gonna kill the Exynos 2300 and use only the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on all S23 variants was wrong. So the Exynos 2300 is still coming and it's gonna power some variants of the S23 series, and that has ruined my day.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
So we previously got some information that said Exynos was going to be absent for 2 years on the S23 and S24 devices. It said Samsung was going to work on improving its Exynos chipset to give Apple-level integration to be released in 2025. And in those 2 years, Samsung was going to use only Snapdragon chips on all variants of its flagship devices in all regions, which got me really excited for those who always get the inferior Exynos chipset, but it turns out that's not going to be the case. A Samsung official saw the news floating online and confirmed it to be false. He said no decision has been made regarding the Exynos 2300, and according to the guys from Galaxy Club, Samsung is working on 2 Exynos chipsets, one flagship and one mid-range chipset, and the codename for the flagship Exynos processor is very similar to the codename the Exynos 2200 had before it launched. So it definitely seems like Samsung will be releasing the Exynos 2300 next year alongside the S23 series. Now, this does not mean Samsung is not gonna work on its Galaxy-only Exynos chipsets that's supposed to have Apple-level integration. They're still gonna work on that, and we're still gonna get it in 2025. But it does mean that while they're working on that, instead of releasing Galaxy flagships powered by only the Snapdragon chipset, they're also gonna release pretty much mediocre Exynos chipsets like before. Anyway, we're gonna get more information about the Galaxy S23, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.